Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. And in this situation, maps out a very interesting setup, both from just for those of you that care about the quote-unquote story of the price, and for anybody out there that's looking to trade. And this whole setup, like I said, no matter what your strategy is as a trader or somebody that cares about the big picture of things, revolves around this previous set of lows right here at $4, and we'll call it 55 cents. If you rewind back into the history not too long ago, you can see that the price was indeed down here, and several times the bears tried to press down through it. They ultimately failed, and you can see that the bulls got a very, very nice bounce here. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish the market was this easy. I wish I could say that because there was a very nice bounce last time the price was at 455, and because the price is now at 455 again, there is a guaranteed bounce that's going to happen next week. No such thing as a guarantee. Now, would I be shocked to see some sort of bounce? No, it wouldn't be shocking, but nobody can sit here and guarantee any sort of for sure price movement. So then taking a step back and, for those of you that maybe just care about the overall story of things, this is a very, very important level, because if I scrunch up a chart like this, if the price does not hold above there, then that's literally, the price going down to lows that it has not seen in a very, very long time. So just from a very simplistic kind of in-your-face perspective about are the bulls going to, regain control and stabilize? Well, 455 for the reasons discussed is a very important stabilization point. Now, in the event there is some sort of bounce, whether it's Monday or next week, the key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there. That is a very famous 50-period simple moving average, and you can see actually already once the price, bounced up there and was surprise, rejected right from that area. So that'll be, the key level of resistance. But really right now, top priority needs to just be some sort of stabilization. So by no means does the price need to bounce on Monday. Heck, at this point, given how much it was beaten down today, even just sideways price action, I would still consider healthy and bullish if that can occur, early next week. So we'll see what happens with it. But without question, 455, definitely a very important level of support.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.